can't really stop playing with this. ChatGPT Plus has released code interpreter, and it is insane in my opinion. Let me show you. So first of all, I'm on ChatGPT Plus, which is a paid version. I don't know if it works in free. Here in beta features, I have to enable code interpreter. And basically what it is, it allows you to write code, or ChatGPT will write code for you and will execute it for you. And it's quite amazing. Let's see what we can do. So first of all, it doesn't have access to all Python. Oh, and by the way, the code is in Python. And it doesn't have access to internet, so you can't really fetch information from real time. And it has only limited set of libraries, but that's okay. Let's see what we can do. So let's take, I have an image somewhere here. Let's say this one. It's an image of a man. And let's ask to do something with this image. Write code to make this image grayscale. Do you know how to write this in Python? I freaking have no idea. I will have to, write maybe go Google it and do this stuff myself somewhere. Sorry, I'm rambling, mumbling. I'm just so amazed of what's going on. And let's take a look. So it's processing. Here you fucking go. A grayscale image. And I don't like, and you can actually see what the code has been executed. This is insane. Well, if you think it's not insane, let's see. Make a GIF that zooms in 50% within 1 second. Do you know how to do this? Do you know on top of your head how to write this code? Let's see if it can do something about it. And I don't know why I'm putting a question mark at the end, but whatever. It still understands me. So let's see what's, yeah, it's actually writing the code. Okay. Okay, I think code is ready. Now it's being executed. Okay. So I am a software engineer. I've never done anything with images in my life. Okay, this is an image. I can download it. One thing I've learned that I actually have to open it in a browser. And open it with Google, for instance. See? This is insane. What else? Make it rotate 360 degrees while zooming in. I don't know. I've never done this. I don't know if it can do this. Let's see. I don't even know how to do this. Like, I will have to go and Google somewhere how to rotate an image. I'm not an image processor guy. I do know Python a little bit. I know what images are, like, these libraries are capable of, but I don't know really how to write this code. It's not my league. Okay. Let's see what's the output. Holy shit, it works. Oh my god. Okay, that's it. I just wanted to share what's happening. I don't know if you're familiar with this addition to ChatGPT. This is amazing. I'm done.